Hi everybody, how are you today? I just wanted to do a quick video on joining Scentsy. So many of you are joining this month and that's amazing. It's double kit month, what I call double kit month, where when you join in February, you get double the testers and double the catalogs. That is so awesome to get your business started. But what I see a lot of people doing, or what I want to give you some tips on, is when you join and you go to your sponsor's website and you sign up and then you message your sponsor and say, okay, the kit will be here in a few days. Don't stop there. The minute that you sign up for Scentsy, you have access to the workstation. So use your new consultant ID and the password that you picked and go right to the training center. Also find out if your sponsor has some welcome emails with maybe some incentives that she's personally doing for points that you hit. I always tell my team there's 4 points to hit when you first get started that I help them with. Shooting Star, that's selling $500 in your first 15 days. And then we try to get our team to certified as quickly as we can. Certified means it's your first $1,000 that you enter in sales. You get a 5% raise when you hit that, and a promotion. So we want to help them get to that point. Then we want to also help them gain confidence to recruit a buddy. You don't have to be the perfect sponsor, mentor, or coach to bring someone along with you. Share the opportunity with someone else so you can kind of lean on each other and have a buddy system. And then, of course, we want them to pick their Sensational Start level. Scentsy has a quick start level, which is Sensational Start level 1, 2, or 3. And, of course, we always want to get them to get to level 3. But these are all things that you can read about and get started on before your kit even arrives at your door. What I tell people is go in the workstation, print off a catalog, start telling everyone on Facebook that you're a new Scentsy consultant, and get those orders in. You have 2 weeks to hit Shooting Star, but you don't have to wait for your kit. That'll be 3 or 4 days that you're just sitting idle when you can be organizing your office, putting out Facebook messages, starting your fan page. There's a whole list of things that you can be doing. So if you're still thinking about joining, definitely message me, let me know. I can help you along with that. And if you've already joined my team or your sponsor's team, make sure you find out about those quick start items that you can get started on before you get going. So join, come aboard. This absolutely changed my life. It's been 5 years and I know it can for you guys too. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.